I think our work is often a response to something, and that something is often a problem.
I thought it would be an interesting sight to do a work that just required an action, and that was simply to crawl.
There's something more powerful about taking a thing that is the most abject thing and making it the most valuable thing.
It all happens in one swoop, and it ignites in a way that it all happens at the same time.
It was that 1% that I thought it will succeed, and it did.